Okay, 86, they want us to solve with fractions, right? So we have a 1/6 m minus 3 equals negative 5. So we get 1/6 m, add 3 to both sides, right, equals negative 2, and multiply both sides by 6, right? So 6, right, on both sides. So we get m equals negative 12 for A. For B, let's do it down here, right? We get 2/3 x minus 3 equals 1/2 x minus 7. I'm going to take the approach on this one. I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 6. I'm just going to get rid of my fractions. So if I multiply by 6, 2/3 times 6 is 4, right? X minus 3 times 6 is 18 equals 1/2 times 6 is 3x, and 7 times 6 is 42. So now we can subtract 3x from both sides, right? And I get x minus 18 equals negative 42. I could add 18 to both sides, and I get x equals negative 24. And we're done that one. For C, let's make space. C, I have x plus x over 2. X over 2 is just 1/2 x, but we can leave it as x over 2. Minus 4 equals x over 4. I'm going to take the same approach for this one. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 4. I'm just going to get rid of my fractions. So that becomes 4x plus x over 2 times 4 is 2x, minus 4 times 4 is 16, equals x over 4 times 4, which is x, right? So we just get rid of all of our fractions. So like terms, I have 6x minus 16 equals x. Subtract x from both sides. I get 5x minus 16 equals 0. Add 16 to both sides. 5x equals 16. Divide by 5, I get x equals 16/5 for C.